Welcome back with another snow squall warning or snowstorm situation. This is for Salt Lake City, South and North Salt Lake, Mill Creek, Cottonwood, Cottonwood Heights, Sandy, South Jordan, West Jordan, Kearns, West Valley City, Magna, and Copperton. We also got parts of interstates 15, 215, 80, got highways 89, 172, 111, 48, 68, and 216, and a bunch of others. We got 1,110,899 people affected by this. So with that, just, I guess, take shelter accordingly. Don't be on the road more than you have to. Keep those headlights on. And just stay safe out there. See you in the next video. Bye.